Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have the sneak peek. Well, it's the flash sale for Wednesday coming up. Of course, parking lot sale is going on right now. And before we go any further, if you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. It helps the channel a lot. I appreciate everyone. We're over 12,000 subscribers. It's a little bit ridiculous. Thank you to everybody. Anyways, before we jump into the flash sale, what has everybody got? And I heard there's been some success stories on adapters, which is amazing. I've seen some hauls. Hopefully everybody who has gone has been able to get something. I saw somebody get 40% off a mini ratchet set. Anyways, let me know if you've been successful this first day of the parking lot sales. But let's jump in. Flash sale. This is on the Instagram of Harbor Freight. So it's official. Valid Wednesday, 8/13 only. 1 day flash sale. It's 30% off all automotive jump starters and battery chargers. All automotive jump starters and battery chargers are showing the Viking chargers and battery chargers, jump starters and battery chargers. And so let's go ahead and take a look. 30% off, pretty solid to go with the parking lot sale on Wednesday. But let's take a look at what they have. So let's look at Cen-Tech first, because it is saying all automotive jump starters and battery chargers, and it does look like they're showing only the Viking ones, but all means all. So we have the Cen-Tech 21050 amp 12 volt analog charger with engine start for $50, and then we have the Cen-Tech 630 peak amp portable car battery jump starter and power pack for $80. And just going back to this one real quick, $50, 30% off. You're going to save $15 on that, so you get this for $35. This Cen-Tech a little bit more sneaky with the math, but we'll still do it anyways. $80 at 30% off. You're getting it for $56. Power bank as well, ideal for jump starting up to small V6 gas engines. Again, here 630 amp peak output, 330 amp cranking power, 212 volt power output, provides up to 180 watts shared power for 12 volt accessory tools, rapid charge 2.1 USB charging, 30% off, really good deal. And then we have this $60 Cen-Tech 750 peak amp portable car battery jump starter and power pack, 750 peak amp jump starter. Ideal for jump starting small V6 gasoline engines, smaller vehicles, 2.4 amp USB output for charging portable electronic devices, 6AWG 25-inch output cables. Decent discount here, 30% off. Really decent, really good discount here. So these are the Viking 1000 peak amp lithium ion jump starter. I believe they are. So they're jump starters plus power banks. You have this one here, which is $140. 2000 peak amp lightweight compact jump starters capable of starting engines as large as 8 liters up to V10, as well as 6-liter diesels. Get up to 50 jump starts per charge, which is pretty nuts. And for such a compact case. And again, it says all automotive jump starters. Oh yeah, I lied. The picture's right here. It does have this one. $140. What a deal. What, $140? It's not much of a deal, but at 30% off, you're getting it for $98. Definitely a good deal there. And then the 1000 peak amp lithium ion jump starter and power bank, lightweight compact jump starter capable of starting engines as large as 4-liter diesel and 6-liter V8 gas. Get up to 30 jump starts per charge. It's USB 8 advanced error detections with auto shut off, 2 fast charge USB-A outlets, and a 15-watt input-output USB-C for recharging the jump starter on or charging electronic devices. High performance lithium-ion batteries hold charge for over 6 months. IPX3 rated, and then $100, 30% off. You're getting this for $30 off. Even has a flashlight for $70. $70. And we have this Viking 1700 peak amp portable car battery jump starter and power pack. This is $190 normally. 1700 peak amp starters able to jumpstart diesel engines up to V6 and gas engines up to V8. 8. 22,000 milliamp hour battery, lead acid battery type, 2A WG, 55-inch cable length, max amperage outage 1700, 12-volt power output provides up to 180 watts of power. For 12-volt accessory tools, rapid charger, 2.4A USB output, high performance, again, lead acid battery, 5-mode high intensity LED work light, 34-inch output cables, and copper-coated heavy-duty clamps, 72-inch charging cable. What a deal. You also have this Viking 3400 peak amp Pro portable car battery, jump starter, and power pack. This is $380. 3400 peak amp Viking heavy duty lead acid jump starter built for reliable roadside auto repair services and is capable to jumpstart a wide range of vehicles for standard 12V gas engines, heavy duty 24V diesel engines, 2.4 amp USB output, LED work light, IPX3 72-inch cables, $380. $380. That's 30% off. You're getting this for $266. Still pretty pricey, but this is the pro level of portable car battery jump starter and power pack. Semi trucks, heavy duty semi trucks, and 12V gas engines. And that's a taste of what you will find for the flash sale Wednesday, 8/13. I'll leave it at that. Anybody considering getting some jump starters, 30% off is really good. Either way, let me know what your haul has been so far for the parking lot sale. Good luck out there. Happy shopping, happy Harbor freighting. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.